Welcome, now I am going to demonstrate Info Profile Grid Widget from Essential Classy Add-ons for Elementor, formerly known as EC Add-ons. From Dashboard, click on Essential Classy and then Widgets. Now click on Pro category, and make sure Info Profile Grid Widget is enabled. Now drag and drop Info Profile Grid Widget. First of all, from Repeater, first select Image. From each repeater, we have Image, Title, Subtitle and Social Links options. For heading we have H1 to H6 and anchor tag option. And same for subtitle as well. For social icon, you need to enable and select icon and its link. Using this height option, you can manage height of info profile box. In Columns tab, you can manage column and its gap options. In Style tab, we have Image, Content box, Title, Subtitle, Social and Main box styling options. In Content box, we have Opacity option. Using this opacity, you can manage content visibility in normal. In Image Style tab, you can manage background image size and its position for normal and hover state. Also, you can manage overlay color of info profile box for normal and hover state. In Title tab, you can manage padding, margin and its typography. Also, you can manage color, background, border and more for normal. In Content box tab, you can manage content alignment. In Social tab, you can manage alignment of icon. Here you can manage padding, margin and icon size. And in Styling manage color, background, border and more for normal, hover and in Main box styling, when your image width or height is smaller than box, you can manage background color. Let's check sample layout using Info Profile Grid widget. Using image background size and position, you can achieve this type of layout. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more video.